Hi there. Hello. Thanks for hopping on, joining us on this extended coverage of your WFAA weather alert day. And today we have a weather alert day because of the brutal cold that we're experiencing this morning. That's in place until 10. Thanks for joining us again on YouTube, WFAA Plus. Maybe you're on Facebook joining us. Don't forget that you can download us on WFAA Plus. This is a way for you to be able to stream us and stream our content all day long. It doesn't specifically have to be during the time frame that we air our newscasting, and be on any, really any streaming service. And it's completely free to download. So check us out on Fire TV, Roku, Apple TV as well. Okay, so today we do have a WFAA weather alert day. And again, it's for the brutal cold that we're experiencing across North Texas. It's until 10 this morning. So the impact is the wind chill that is going to be in the single digits, already in the single digits for most of us, anywhere between 5 to 10. Here's what you need to do. Protect the 4 Ps, the people, the pets, the pipes, and the plants. We know this every winter. We generally have at least 1 or 2 cold snaps. And the other key thing for you, I know a lot of people are going back to work, back to school after the holidays. Make sure to dress in layers. That's going to be key today. Make sure to really protect any exposed skin if you do have to be outside for an extended period of time. This is why we have a cold weather advisory. It's in place until 10. Cold weather advisory is there because of the wind chill. So not only do we have widespread freezing temperatures, but we have these wind gusts that are out of the north anywhere between 25 to 35 miles per hour. And that is significantly lowering the wind chill this morning. So here's a look at the temperature. Yeah, it's cold. 22 degrees in Dallas, 20 in Fort Worth, 20 for Denton and in McKinney. But factor in that strong wind out of the north, anywhere between 25 to 30. It brings the wind chill, or what it feels like, down into the single digits. It currently feels like 6 degrees in Fort Worth, 8 degrees in Dallas, 9 in Decatur, 8 in Denton, and 6 in McKinney. Temperatures today, they'll eventually make it to above freezing. That'll happen sometime around noon into the afternoon. So the temperature, it'll at least make it to above freezing, but the winds will still be pretty breezy. So the wind chill will still feel like it's below 32. So again, this is kind of an all-day thing where we're going to be dealing with these breezy north winds. It's just going to be a little blustery out there, but the dangerous cold in place at least for the next couple of hours, at least through 10, I should say. So just take that into consideration. Low temperatures this week. Every single morning through Friday looks like we will dip to below freezing temperatures. So make sure that you're prepping your homes, make sure you're prepping not only your pipes in your cars, but also make sure to have a cold weather plan for your pets, your neighbors. Make sure to check in with everyone. Temperatures will be in the 20s most mornings with a wind chill in the low 20s and teens. And I just wanted to add this, even though we are entering into a long string of days where we see temperatures drop below freezing, we're not going to experience any record cold this week. So no records will be broken. High temperatures this week will be above freezing, but likely only in the 30s most days. And so again, cold and dry first half of the week. But then we're looking at the second half going into Thursday, going into Friday. So really the end of the week at our next potential for winter precip. And this could very well bring in our next chance for snow. So let me show you here, satellite and radar looking completely clear across Texas, but there's a disturbance. Hasn't really quite taken full shape yet off the Pacific Northwest, and that's an area of low pressure that will develop. And that'll be our possible winter storm come Thursday, Friday. So the current track has this dipping across California into Baja, and then eventually into Texas. So that's really a favorable track for us to see precipitation on any given day. But whenever you have temperatures that are below 32 degrees, this is when you add the factor of winter weather potential. So as the current track looks, it looks like it could bring in some snow. So it depends on a lot of things, though. A slower or farther north track could mean warmer air and less snow, but a farther south track does mean less snow as well because there'll be less moisture. But a degree can also make a difference. Right now it does look like it'll be cold enough for us to sustain some snow. So the winter weather potential as of now looks like if you're south of North Texas, say Central Texas, towards the Austin area, it looks like that's where we could see some winter precip. What that means is maybe some sleet mixing in with rain or sleet mixing in with some snow. And it does look like mainly snow for North Texas. As of now, not completely ruling out the potential for 1 to 4 inches in accumulation. The higher totals look to be west of DFW, likely somewhere between 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches of rain for DFW. We're still a few days out, so this could very well change. What I can tell you, though, is that measurable snowfall does look likely for us Thursday, Friday, and travel impacts will be likely. So definitely make sure to keep an eye on the forecast and keep an eye here with us over the next several days. So temperatures, like I said, it just stays cold the next several days. We're looking at highs only in the 30s, morning lows dipping into freezing. It stays dry through Wednesday, but on Wednesday you'll notice more cloud cover. Thursday, that's the day where I think we could see that snowfall moving in. And that'll take us into Friday morning where it does taper off. Again, accumulations 1 to 4 inches, not completely out of the realm of possibility. This is one of the best snowfall potentials I've seen since my time here. And I've been here for about 3 years now. Yeah, we need to be paying attention to this. This could definitely cause some travel impacts. Again, at least it is snow, and as of now it looks like any ice potential stays south of North Texas. It does dry up for the weekend. Temperatures climb to the 40s Saturday, Sunday, and a little bit more, I guess I would call it mild, as we head towards the middle part of the month. All right, everyone, as always, you can join us on WFAA Plus for the latest. You can also join us on WFAA.com. We have a blog with all of this information up that you can read and catch up on in your spare time. And of course, you can catch us on midday. That starts at 11. See you then.